Hello guys, welcome to another Blender tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can combine objects in Blender 3.6. If I could click here and I select about, one second, about Blender, I have 3.6 for those that are curious. And now I will add cylinder, and then I'll press on the keyboard. Let me enable screencast, Shift plus D. In this one I will rotate 90 degrees on the X axis, grab it and move it here, and now just increase the size. For this one, I'll increase the size on the x-axis, and this one on the y-axis. Sorry, on the SY axis. Now move, and perfect. Okay, now if I want to combine, there's multiple options. The first option is by using by going here, you select both of this, and now you go to here, join, or you can also use the shortcut Control plus G, and now you join both of these. But if you go in edit mode and you press L, which will select selected linked, and now if you grab this, there's still two. So to fix this problem, let's go back to edit mode, and I will just so I'm going to show you another method, because this method is not really the right one. And what you have to do is to go to edit mode, preferences, add-on, and make sure here you write bool tool. Make sure you enable this add-on. Now just make sure you select both of this and press on your keyboard Control plus minus on your numpad minus, and instead of using this one, a difference, select union, which will combine both of this. Now we can hide this, and now we have combined them. We can go in edit mode, and here in edit mode we have them here. Just make sure you apply, and now in edit mode we have this here. So select edit mode, and now as you can see they're combined. If you press L to select the linked, as you can see we'll select all of them because they're combined. Now here we can go and add some subdivision surface. We can go and add maybe some remesh if you want to. And as you can see, they're combined, so everything works just fine. So yeah, I really hope you found this helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you now in the next tutorial.